Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on Google Meet. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Google Meet. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. We'll search about Google Meet. And then here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.